Hi there. In this tutorial we're going to look at the article rewriter. The article rewriter is a very useful tool because it allows you to rewrite articles quickly. Now I'm sure you're well aware of spinners. There's many out there, and in the past you could spin content and the quality of the content didn't matter. However, these days, a discerning Google will slap you if you've got awful content. And let's face it, none of the article rewriters out there give great readable content that the user's going to appreciate. And that's why I had this tool developed. It's very simple to use. You select an article that you want to have rewritten. Okay, so first things first, let's choose a file. Useful pointers for a successful online video marketing. You'll notice there's a timer here as well, so you can keep track on how long it takes you to rewrite an article. Now I find this tool especially useful for rewriting emails, say for email campaigns. And what I'd do is I'd load in the email that I need to rewrite, and then you simply look at the top here. Useful pointers for a successful online video marketing. I'll take that, I'll add that there, and add campaign to the end of it. That makes a lot more sense, doesn't it? Then what I'd do is I'd look at each section and I'd rewrite each section in my own words. So once you get to an end of a section, you load in the next paragraph, and so on, until you've completely finished rewriting the article. Rewriting an article in this way is always going to be better than spinning, and the quality of the content will be appreciated much more by the user. So once you've rewritten your article, you can save your content, and you can export it. So if I raise this up here, you'll see that useful pointers for a successful online marketing campaign has been saved as a text file. It's a very simple tool, but it's a very useful tool. Thank you for watching.